Hello. In this video, we are going to be correcting your homework, and your homework was on page 200, and you guys did number 3, and then we're going to do 7 through 11. All right, so on this screen right here, we're going to do number 3. At Silver Gym, membership is $25 per month, and personal training sessions are $30 each. So X is going to stand for a training session. All right, so at Silver, the personal training, it's $25 a month, plus it's going to be $30 a session. At Fit Factor, membership is $65 a month and personal trainings are $20 each. In 1 month, how many personal training sessions would Sarah have to buy to make the total cost at the 2 gyms equal? Okay, so we want to know when this is going to be equal to Fit Factor was $65 a month plus training sessions are $20 a piece. All right, I'm going to worry about getting my letters together first. So I'm going to subtract 20x from both sides. And now I am going to get 25 plus 10x equals 65. All right, still trying to solve and get x by itself. So I'm going to subtract 25 from both sides. So 10x equals, and 65 minus 25 is 40. Then that says 10 times x, so the opposite of times is divide. So I'm going to divide both sides by 10, and x is 4. So after 4 sessions, the cost is the same. 4 sessions cost the same. All right, after doing number 3, then we jumped to number 7. All right, number 7. Derek's dog sitting and Darlene's dog sitting are competing for new business. The companies ran the following ads that are over there on the right. Write and solve an equation to find the number of hours for which the total cost will be the same. So when does Derek equal Darlene? All right, so Derek's is going to be 12 plus $5 per hour. And they want to know when that is equal to Darlene, and she charges 18 plus $3 per hour. All right, I am going to get my letters together first. So I'm going to subtract 3h from both sides to get my like terms together. So 12 plus 2h equals 18. All right, now I'm going to subtract 12 to move it over onto the other side. So 2h equals 18 minus 12 is 6. Now 2 times h, so I'm going to divide both sides by 2. So h equals 3. So for which 2 services will be the same? For 3 hours, they cost the same. All right, which dog sitting service is more economical if you need 5 hours? So let's do Derek's. Derek is going to be 12 plus, and he charges $5 for 5 hours. So we're going to take 12 plus 25. So Derek is going to be $37. All right, Darlene is going to be 18 plus $3 for 5 hours. So Darlene is going to be 18 plus 15. And 18 plus 15 is 33. So Darlene will be cheaper. Darlene will cost less. All right, so we've got Darlene and Derek all solved, and now we need to move on to country carpet. Country Carpet charges $25 per square, an additional installation fee of $100. City Carpet is $25 per square and $70 for installation. Write and solve an equation to find the number of square yards of carpeting for which the two companies will be the same. All right, so let's start with Country Carpets first. And Country Carpets is $22 per square plus $100 for installation. All right, the other one, City Carpets, I get it, Country, City, charges $25 per square yard, and the installation fee is $70. All right, I like to get my letters together first. So let me subtract 22x from both sides. So we have 100 equals 3x plus 70. Right now I need to get my numbers together here. So I am going to subtract 70 from both sides. So 30 equals 3x. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 3. So 10 equals x. Okay, so their companies are the same when it is 10 square yards. All right. Mr. Shu wants to hire one of the two carpet companies to install carpet in his basement. Is he more likely to hire Country or Well, we need to know how many square yards he's going to do. So his whole basement, is that going to be more or less than 10 square yards? Well, if we're going to do a whole basement, it is probably going to be more than 10 square yards. So let's find out when we pick a number that is more. So let's just pick something like 20. So 22 times 20 plus 100. Or 25 times 20 plus 100. So 22 times 100, 22 times 20 is going to be 440, and we have to add that 100 to it, so it would be 540. And right in City is going to be 25 times 20. Whoops, I wrote something wrong here, didn't I? This should only be 70. Plus 70. So this is going to be 570. So which one is cheaper? Well, we are going to go with the first one. So the Country Carpets will be cheaper. All right. Then we had to write expressions based on the words that were said. So in here, we've got 2 less than 3 times a number is. And remember, is always means equals. So when we look at number 9, 2 less. So we're going to take 2 less than something. That means we're going to subtract 2 from something. And we're going to subtract it from 3 times a number. So 3x. Is, that's where my equal sign comes in, the same as the number. So the number was x plus 10. All right, then they actually want us to solve this. So we're going to subtract x from both sides, and I'm going to add 2 to both sides and do it all at once. So 2x equals, and I'm adding 2, so this is 12. And I'm going to divide by 2, so x is 6. All right, the next one, number 10. Just so I have more room, I'm just going to write it down here. So this is number 10. All right, a number, increased means add by 4, is equal sign, the same as 19 minus 2 times the number. All right, so what I'm going to do now is combine my like terms. So I'm going to add 2x. I'm going to subtract 4. I'm kind of running out of room here. So 1x plus 2x is 3x. And 19 minus 4 is 15. Then I'm going to divide by 3. So it looks like x is 5. All right, last one, number 11. 20 less than 8 times a number. So I'm going to go 20 less. That means I'm subtracting 20 from something. I'm subtracting it from 8 times a number. Is means equal, the same as 15 more. More means add the number. All right, so I'm going to get my x's together. So I'm going to subtract x. I'm going to add 20 to both sides. So it looks like I'm going to get 7x. 8x minus 1x is 7x. And 15 plus 20 is 35. Sorry about that. Divide by 7. So x equals 5. Alrighty, hope that helped with any questions that you have. Hope you have a great day.